Hello, friends. The steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have spent years working in this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. In the shop, we always tell clients that the EE-8 code doesn't show up for no reason. It's usually related to an issue in the microwave's internal electronics, especially in models that use an inverter system. Basically, the unit detects that something isn't working properly in its power control and shuts itself down to prevent further damage. Now, something we hear quite often from clients is that the error appears suddenly without warning. Some describe it like this. It was heating normally, then suddenly it shut off and showed EE-8. From a technical standpoint, this usually points to internal electrical faults or voltage spikes that directly affect the control board. Along those same lines, we also see cases where the microwave turns on and seems to work, but after a few seconds it stops heating and shows the error. Here, our technicians explain that this is closely related to the inverter module, which is responsible for regulating power. If that part isn't working correctly, the microwave can't control energy properly and protects itself by displaying the code. On the other hand, some clients mention that the issue started right after unplugging the unit or after an electrical fluctuation at home. This reinforces the idea that the EE-8 error can appear when the electronics lose stability or become misconfigured, something quite common in devices sensitive to voltage changes. At that point, the first thing we usually recommend in the shop is performing a full reset by unplugging the microwave for a few minutes before turning it back on. Technically, this allows the internal circuits to reset, and in some cases the error disappears temporarily, which indicates that it's not always a permanent failure. However, if the code comes back, then we're dealing with a clearer scenario. There's likely a fault in the main control board or the inverter system. Some clients mention that the error appears every time they try to use the microwave, which for us is a strong sign that an electronic component is no longer functioning properly. From our technical experience, we know these errors don't just appear randomly. Modern microwaves have protection systems that detect inconsistencies in internal operation, so EE-8 is essentially a warning that something in the power control system isn't working as it should.